Welcome to Labie's ELN and LIMS platform. Labie helps you document, manage, and interpret research data. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a record. And a record in Labie can be an experiment, a protocol, or a sample, etc. So to add a record, you click the Add button from the navigation bar and select the table name from the menu options. All records, including experiments, protocols, files, samples, and more can be added simply by using this menu, and you can also use the search bar to narrow down the tables. So for this video, I will choose to add an experiment. Fill in the required and optional information in the fields that appear in the experiment form. As you can see, I will write test experiment description. We will do tutorial, and we can do a date start, which we'll make today. However, if you are creating an experiment that is repetitive to your previous work, you can use the template to pre-fill all the values, as I'll show you here. All the values have been filled, and you can also set this experiment as a template by simply checking the Is Template True box here. Hit submit and you have successfully added an experiment/record. Thank you.